couple of Hen and Roosters here. What do you guys think about Hen and Rooster? Hey everybody, welcome to Cards and Sharps. This is going to be kind of a little something different from what I typically do. I mostly do pocket knives, but I do like a good fixed blade, and seen these Hen and Roosters and decided to take a look at them. Have not unboxed them or looked at them yet, so let's get them undressed and have a look. All right, there's that one, and we'll pull this one out here. And we'll just do both these at the same time. I'm going to make two separate videos on them. All right, we've got Hen and Rooster. Not really a name for them that I could see other than this one was a small hunter with a red pick bone, and that is referring to the handle. It's a red pick bone handle. Kind of has that old-timey pocket knife look, but it is a fixed blade. 440 stainless blade, 7 inches overall, and the weight, if we can, out here off view, I got my little scale. See if we can see what this weighs, because I did not see any specs on this, and it looks like it's going to, let's see what we come up with. 3 ounces, so nice light knife. I can tell you right off the bat, this one's a lot heavier. So you got, comes with this leather scabbard, and does not fit real tight in there. Hen and Roosters are not overly expensive knives. This one comes in the $20-$25 range, I believe, and this one will run you about $50. This one probably little lighter weight, not quite as this one obviously looks like a little higher end knife here. Let's take a look at the scabbard with this one, what we get with it. And this one's going to have the locking strap that goes in there. You put it in there and you strap it down to secure it. And it comes with the leather lanyard already on it. Now this one is 9 inches overall with a 4-inch blade, but it does have G10 scales on the handle. Both of them are full tang, so that's going to give it a lot of strength. Hen Rooster's been around a long time, since the 1800s, making knives. They are pretty well known, and they're not a expensive knife company. None of their products are too terribly expensive. This blade, all I could find is it was stainless steel. I don't know what grade it is, but this is a very robust knife. And let's throw it on the scale. Yeah, and it weighs in at, this one weighs in at about 10 ounces, so it's, you know, it's a nice chunk. But this one also feels more like what I would use a fixed knife for. I would be, you know, putting on my belt when I'm going out to the woods, camping or something, where I'm going to have a moment where I'm going to pull my knife out and be using it, you know, quite a bit. with it out of the sheath one time. Going to be using it quite a bit. Otherwise, I'm a folding knife kind of guy. Put it in my pocket, pull it out, unfold it, and use it, and then put it back. But in situations where you're out and you may be building a campsite, or if you're going to be cleaning some game or something like that, a good fixed blade, you can have out, and where you're not going to be wanting to open and close it and resheathing it. I'm not one that would want to reach down, unsheath a knife every time I wanted to use it if I'm using it frequently but not continuously. But that one, that's a real nice feel. Have not handled any the Hen and Rooster fixed blades before. I have handled their folding knives, and but these I seen these and thought I'd take a look at them. This one's a very handsome knife. If you like a smaller fixed blade to carry in a sheath, or maybe put down in a boot, that's a nice looking knife. I love that red bone. But this Blue G10 with a very aggressive texturing. I mean, this knife is ready to work, and it's got some jimping underneath. It's got the back jimping. So this knife was made to get in there and do some pretty heavy work, and it feels like it could take on pretty much anything you'd want to put at it. It's got these two holes. I can't believe that would be weight saving measures, so maybe there's some kind of utility things. I don't know, maybe bend nails or whatnot. If any of you got any suggestions or ideas what those might be for, love to hear from you. It's a new one on me. Another interesting thing is these screws are hollow. They go all the way through. Don't really know what the purpose of that would be, but it does do that. But very nice. I like this one. This one, I like the feel of it, and I'd say in situations where we use a fixed blade, that would be one that I would definitely consider carrying, because it's the right size, feels sturdy enough that you wouldn't be afraid. I mean, this feels sturdy enough that you could pry with it. And it's nicely finished too. The back of the tang here is rounded, smooth, and the same, it follows all the way to the spine of the blade. It's rounded off, so it's no sharp edges there at all. And then that jimping just has a nice feel to it all the way around. Alright, that is my look at the Hen and Roosters. Not a ton of information on them, but just a couple of knives I brought in and I thought cool, and I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know what you think. Y'all had any experience with the Hen and Rooster, and good luck with them or anything like that. What do you think? And let me know there in the comments below. Alright, that's all I got. We'll see you guys next time.